Rabbits are mammals found in almost every part of the world. While these animals are kept as pets or even for their meat, little is known about them. Rabbits are indeed social creatures and are happiest in the company of their species. They can become very sad and depressed if kept on their own. Knowing a few, we should understand that modern farming has had a lot of changes. In modern agriculture technology, there is a great department for rabbit farming as well, and in the rabbit industry, we have different types of new technologies used to take care of the rabbits and feed the bunny. And that's why we're here. Welcome! In today's video, we will be looking at the incredible high-tech rabbit farming and how it really works, from harvest technology to meat processing and others. So watch this video to the end, because it's going to be interesting. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notifications icon so you can stay updated with our videos. Rabbit farming is not a new business idea. In fact, people have been raising rabbits as pets and for food for a long time ago. Rabbits need a small place to live and less food to survive. Truly, rabbit meat contains a higher ratio of protein, energy, calcium, and vitamins than any other animal meat. The amount of cholesterol, fat, and sodium is also less than in other animals. Talking about the incredible rabbit farming and harvest technology, rabbits are fed special foods that are provided to them in their cages. As for the baby rabbits, they are separated from their mothers, while the mothers are always taken to their cages for breastfeeding. Also, the rabbits are always fed with grains and fruits. They are also taken for mating. They will also be given specific injections that will help protect them against all manner of diseases. The baby rabbits will be treated with special care once they're born. After their conception, these baby rabbits will be taken to their mothers for better nurturing. Due to artificial nurturing, these baby rabbits will not take long to transform into bigger sizes. This is basically because of artificial manipulation. After this, the mothers will be separated into different cages with their babies. These cages will be properly washed and cleaned within a stipulated period. With this in mind, it will be possible to maintain the hygiene policies of the farm. Let's get going to the rabbit meat processing. If you're wondering how this works, well, it's pretty simple. Numerous crates of rabbits are brought into the meat processing unit. They will now simultaneously be hanged on the escalating hanger that sends them towards the slaughtering process. After the rabbits are slaughtered, the outer skin will be removed. When this is done, these rabbits will reach the final processing unit, and workers will remove the internal organs and send the rabbits for washing and drying. Workers will cut the meat into different tiny parts. They may, however, decide to cut them by thoroughly packed into plastic, and they may also cut them into 2 equal pieces. After this, they will steam them for a while for better packaging. This process does protect the meat from bacteria and germs. Going further, the meat is finally weighed, and when the weight is ensured, then it's pasted with a label and packed into various other packaging that indeed makes the meat perfect to be sent to the markets. The meat cutting process requires much skill to be executed. The workers will have to be so skillful in order to have an excellent cutting experience. They will cut an entire rabbit with their own perfect and accurate cutting technique. While cutting them, they will separate all the bones from the meat without distorting the shape of the meat. All these will be done successfully without causing any wastage by compromising the meat. The process takes a little bit of time. A worker may perform hundreds of rabbit cutting each day, which shows the number of skills needed during the cutting process. Let's talk about wild rabbit feeding babies. While these rabbits expect babies, and since the delivery is near, what they do is dig the ground in order to keep their babies safe from any danger that has a higher chance of happening. On this note, they are aware of nature where they've kept their babies. Although the babies are apparently buried on the surface, the mother rabbit breastfeeds them 2 or 3 times every day. But unlike other mammals, rabbits are very much prominent as regards parenting, and this is due to their inner attributes that are embedded by nature. As you have realized that the mothers often protect their offspring by totally locking them into the ground, no one is also capable of making a mild judgment that it has built a cave underground consisting of several baby rabbits in it. Indeed, rabbit meat is delicious, easily digestible, and nutritious. Also, there is no religious taboo for consuming rabbit meat. In fact, they grow very fast, and the female rabbit is capable of producing 2 to 8 offspring every time. They can also consume low quantities of food and turn it into high-quality meat, skin, or fiber. And that's it for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to watch similar videos or are obsessed with farm and technology-related videos, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up to this video. You can also click on the notifications icon to stay updated with our videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.